Your friends here at the Dashcam store with an exciting new unboxing video. Today, we'll look at the Garmin's 46, 56, 66W, and the Mini. These cams all contain the same features you've come to expect from Garmin's high-quality and miniature dash cams, but with a pleasant surprise or two. In each box you'll find your Garmin with its low-profile adhesive mount. Please note that the Mini has a slightly different mount that I'll get into a bit later. An extra low-profile windshield mount, two power cables, one for upward and another for downward cable routing, your dual USB power adapter, a user manual, and documentation. Before we get into the cameras, I'm excited to explain their newest feature, AutoSync. With this, you can wirelessly connect up to 4 Garmin dash cams at the front, back, and sides of your vehicle to provide virtually complete 360-degree coverage. Let's say, for example, you have a 66W as your front-facing cam, a Mini facing the driver's side window, and a 46 capturing the passenger side, and finally a 56 recording behind your vehicle. Now you can use Garmin's Drive app to sync up all 4 cameras. If an incident does occur, all cameras will record and save the footage from different angles, giving you a comprehensive view of the event. With this slick new feature, your configuration options are wide open, and it's up to your imagination on how you take advantage of the 4-channel setup. Each camera we're showcasing today has AutoSync, so feel free to mix and match cameras to achieve your ideal setup. Alright, on to the cameras. Let's start with the 46. Recording in 1080p at 30 frames per second with a 140-degree viewing angle, the 46 automatically records and saves any incidents encountered, along with the correlating GPS data, pinpointing exactly where and when the event took place. Now offering voice control, unlike its predecessor, the 45. With a simple OK Garmin, you can save a video or a picture, start or stop audio recording, and control the Travelapse feature. Along with GPS, your 46 also comes equipped with built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, making it easy to wirelessly view, edit, and share captured media using the Garmin Drive app. Numerous safety alerts and the 2-inch LCD screen are 2 more features you've come to expect. The 12-volt cigarette outlet power cable still has that extra USB port, which is a nice touch. Or with the optional hardwire cable, you can take advantage of a super clean installation and parking mode too. And here is the 56, which uses an enhanced image sensor that allows for even greater 1440p resolution and utilizes Garmin's Clarity HDR, which provides benefits such as increased low-light visibility. Like the 46, the 56 has a 140-degree viewing angle, auto event detection, GPS, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, voice controls, safety alerts, a 2-inch LCD screen, your dual USB power adapter, and the AutoSync feature that enables multi-camera Wi-Fi interconnectivity. This is the 66W, which also records in 2K or 1440p, but has a super wide 180-degree field of view, hence the W in 66W. Like the 46 and 56, the 66W also comes equipped with enhanced low-light visibility, auto event detection, GPS, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, voice controls, safety alerts, a 2-inch LCD screen, your dual USB power adapter, and the very cool AutoSync feature. And this little guy is the Mini. To keep this camera key-sized, the feature set, mounting, and body style are a bit different. First off, they've removed the LCD screen to reduce the overall footprint, recording in crisp 1080p resolution with a 140-degree field of view, along with auto event detection, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, the AutoSync feature, and a tremendously inconspicuous profile are what makes this model so appealing. There's no built-in GPS or voice control, but there are a couple of buttons for added convenience. One is to quickly turn on and off your audio recording, and the other is an event button that allows you to manually tag a video of anything you see, whether it be a meteor or a passing llama, to protect that file from being automatically overwritten later. While the Mini can certainly be used on its own, using the Mini in conjunction with another Garmin that has GPS and voice control lets you take full advantage of all the available features. With the use of the AutoSync feature and utilizing the other cams, you have a lot of options to build your ideal configuration. Wide angle, 2K, 1080p, small or super small, easily removed and rotated, and all wirelessly connected. It's about time 2019. By the way, all these new models are also compatible with Garmin's optional suction cup mount, which is a great way to use your Garmin in a rental car when traveling. Alright, now we can talk about what these cameras have in common. They all have auto event detection, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and the AutoSync feature. Each model uses a low-profile mounting solution with a ball and socket arm, along with the dual-port USB charger. Another bonus is the small amount of battery life they have when unplugged. Your vehicle will of course charge your camera while you're driving, but at any time you can unplug it and remove the cam. Removing the dash cam will allow you to walk around and document the damage of your vehicle after an accident, or to capture some other unique scenario. Garmin makes it very easy with their super slick mount and rotatable ball and socket arm. For the numbered models, there's a magnetic mount that affixes to your windshield, then the dashcam clicks securely into place. Now you can just as easily stow the Garmin in the glove box or mount it in another vehicle using the provided spare magnetic mount. The Mini, on the other hand, uses an adhesive pad, so you would need to remove the camera from the ball and socket arm itself to stow it away. You can also use the provided spare mount to equip another vehicle for an easy camera transfer. Though with the Mini's discreet profile and well-placed install, you might feel comfortable enough just to leave it mounted. A big change to take note of is that these models do not come with an SD card like their predecessors did. So please make sure and purchase a Dashcam specific Class 10 microSD card either with your camera or before, so you'll be ready to go. As mentioned, all models are Wi-Fi accessible. Using Garmin's Drive app, easily connect your smartphone to the Dashcam to copy over and preserve those important video files. That way you can share them with friends, your insurance company, or even with police at the scene of an accident. Since we can't really compare these cameras apples to apples, let's look at the numbered models first, then we can focus on the Mini. All three numbered cameras have the same compact footprint, voice control, a 2-inch LCD, and safety alerts. To help cultivate safe driving habits, the safety alerts include warnings for lane departures, forward collisions, red light, and speed cameras. The Go alerts notify you when idle traffic ahead finally begins to move. We find the red light and speed camera alerts, along with forward collision warnings, to be most helpful. The lane departure warning is honestly not as helpful, since the Garmins don't necessarily know when you're changing lanes intentionally. The Mini and the 46 are probably the closest in comparison due to resolution and viewing angle, but the Mini removes the screen, GPS, and voice control in exchange for an extremely discreet footprint and lower price point, which will be well worth it for most, especially if you're going to utilize the auto-sync feature to connect a few of these cameras together. Main differences when considering your ideal solution. The Mini is the least expensive and most discreet of them all, capturing in 1080p with a 140-degree viewing angle. The 46 is only slightly more expensive than the Mini, but only because it adds an LCD screen, GPS, and voice control. Like the Mini, it records in 1080p and uses a 140-degree viewing angle. The 56 captures 2K resolution with the same 140-degree viewing angle and has all the bells and whistles available from Garmin. The 66W is the most expensive of the four because of the ultra-wide 180-degree viewing angle and an upgraded image sensor, allowing for 2K resolution. And don't forget that all of these have the auto-sync feature, so you can connect up to 4 cameras within your Drive app to capture just about any coverage angles you want. And to increase that coverage, using the unique ball and socket arm mount, you can rotate your camera to change its viewpoint at any time. In summary, Garmin continues to deliver with these new and improved additions to their product line. Any of these would be great options for both consumers and businesses in need of trusted brand reliability, discrete mounting options, and numerous configuration possibilities. What will you do with your new Garmin Dash Cams?
Now recording.